We have been observing the stars since the time humankind had the ability to think and ask questions. But telescopes definitely have added a new dimension to this experience, right? Hi, I am Kalyani from Astron Era and I welcome you to the course, The Guide to Buy a Telescope. In this course, we will review the major facts to consider before buying a telescope. This will make your choice a lot easier. Before the invention of telescope, for thousands of years, we were stuck observing the stars with our naked eyes. Of course, it was much easier than it is today as light pollution did not exist back then. Still, detailed observations on the heavenly bodies were not possible with naked eyes. We can spend years stargazing happily with nothing but our own eyes. But telescopes add a new dimension to the experience for sure. Today we have a wide range of telescopes and accessories to buy from. This is a great time to be an amateur astronomer. These telescope options are overwhelming, and that makes it really hard to make the decision of buying a new equipment, isn't it? What all do you need to know to buy a new telescope? Where should you start? Are you even ready to get a telescope yet? I know you're here to explore the answers to all these questions. This course will be your guide and help you choose your equipment. Please understand that we are trying to be as general as possible here. We want to be of help to people with various telescope requirements. The guide will definitely narrow your search from the hundreds of telescopes available, but it's up to you to decide what meets your needs the best. Before you hop onto the course, you first need to know what's important for you. What do you mostly want to look at? How dark is your sky? How experienced an observer are you? How much do you want to spend? What storage space do you have and how much weight do you want to carry? Answer these key questions, familiarize yourself with what's on the market, and you'll be well on your way to choosing a telescope and developing a hobby. Get ready to evoke feelings of awe, wonder and mystery as you dive deeper into space.